Tammy Slaton, one half of the dynamic sibling duo behind TLC's hit show, 1000 lb Sisters, is unrecognizable these days, and not just because of her incredible physical transformation. According to her mother, Darlene Slaton, the biggest change in Tammy isn't just her body but the vibrant, confident, and fresh attitude she's finally embraced. After years of battling obesity, life-threatening health conditions, emotional struggles, and rocky relationships, Tammy has emerged stronger, more self-aware, and, perhaps for the first time ever, hopeful. Darlene recently sat down in an emotionally raw and brutally honest discussion about her daughter's massive weight loss journey and how it's deeply affected not only Tammy's health but also her mindset, behavior, and interactions with others. The family has been under public scrutiny for years as the world followed Tammy and her sister Amy Slaton through all the highs and lows of obesity, addiction, relationships, and recovery. But now, things are different. "This ain't the Tammy I raised," Darlene remarked with a chuckle. And that's a good thing. Tammy's weight loss, reportedly over 400 pounds since her track tube days and near-death scares, has stunned fans and critics alike. Her transformation has been nothing short of miraculous. Gone are the days when she relied on others for mobility or avoided mirrors and cameras. Today, Tammy is stepping into the light, and her mother sees it every day. "It's like she's walking taller, even when she's just sitting still," Darlene shared. "She used to walk into a room and shrink. Now she owns the room." Darlene revealed that the weight loss not only improved Tammy's physical health but unlocked something in her mentally. Tammy used to lash out, she was angry all the time. She hated the world. But now, she's calmer. She thinks before she speaks. She takes time to breathe. She's grown. The TLC reality series has never sugar-coated Tammy's behavior. From explosive fights with Amy and other family members to walking away from her own progress, fans have seen Tammy at her worst. She's cried, yelled, and blamed others. But Darlene insists those moments were rooted in self-hate and hopelessness. "You try waking up every day thinking you are dying. You try having the world laugh at you or shame you. That does something to a person." She had to fight to come back from that. The turning point for Tammy was more than just surgery or rehab, it was survival. After being rushed to the hospital for carbon dioxide poisoning and placed in a medically induced coma, the once defiant Tammy had a wake-up call. She didn't just survive, she decided to live. Darlene said that moment changed everything. "She told me, 'Mama, I ain't ready to die yet.' And I believed her. That was the first time I saw real fire in her eyes." Since then, the progress has been steady. Tammy not only underwent successful bariatric surgery, but she also committed to therapy, changed her eating habits, and cut off toxic relationships. According to Darlene, Tammy's self-worth has blossomed. She don't take no crap anymore. But she also don't start none. That's new. The once dependent Tammy is now driving, shopping, traveling, and even dating again. She's been spotted in several TikTok videos flashing her slimmed-down face and showing off her new style. Her presence online has also changed. Instead of defensive rants or angry clapbacks, Tammy now posts positive updates and engages with fans more kindly. "That's not fake," Darlene says. "That's just a woman who's finally starting to like herself." For years, viewers wondered if Tammy was sabotaging herself. Between resistance to doctors' advice, clashes with family, and brushes with death, many gave up hope. Even Amy Slaton, her loyal younger sister, often appeared exhausted and frustrated. But now, the sisters are closer than ever. They laugh again. They go places together. They enjoy each other, Darlene said. "Before, it was always fighting. Now it's healing." Of course, the transformation wasn't without sacrifice. Tammy had to leave Kentucky to check into a weight loss rehab facility in Ohio, spending months away from family, friends, and the only life she ever knew. She had to face addiction, depression, and deep-rooted trauma. "She told me she cried more in that place than she ever did in her life," Darlene said. But she also said she laughed more too. According to Darlene, therapy was the real game changer. She didn't just lose pounds. She lost pain. She had to forgive people. Forgive herself. And I think that's why she's glowing now. That girl is free. Tammy's new attitude is reflected in every part of her life. From her wardrobe to her vocabulary, fans are seeing a different woman on their screens. She recently returned to filming for upcoming 1000 LB Sisters episodes, and insiders say producers are blown away by her new energy. She's working with the crew, not against them. She's early to shoots. She's polite. She's cracking jokes. This ain't the Tammy from season 1, one anonymous source shared. Darlene, who's been a polarizing figure on the show, admits she wasn't always supportive. I didn't know how to help her. I was tough, maybe too tough, but I'm proud of her now. She proved me wrong in the best way. Even Tammy's love life is experiencing a healthy reboot. After a series of disastrous relationships with men who didn't support her goals or manipulated her vulnerabilities, Ami is reportedly seeing someone new, and Darlene approves. He ain't in it for fame. He respects her. He lifts her up. That's all I care about. And Tammy's relationship with her fans. That's also evolving. Where there was once tension and resentment, there's now gratitude and connection. She knows people stuck by her. She don't take that lightly, said Darlene. Looking ahead, Tammy isn't slowing down. She's set new goals, including excess skin removal surgery, possibly writing a memoir, and even launching her own health-focused brand. She wants to help others now, Darlene beamed. She wants people to know it's never too late. While some fans still express skepticism, questioning whether Tammy's change will last, Darlene remains hopeful. A mother knows when her child is faking. Tammy ain't faking. She's fighting. She's winning. And she's shining. As Tammy continues her journey, her story becomes less about weight and more about rebirth. From bedridden and bitter to bold and beautiful, she's proving every day that real change is possible. And Darlene, once her toughest critic, is now her loudest cheerleader. I told her, Tammy, you did good, girl. And she looked me in the eye and said, I know, Mama. I know I did. In a world that often doubted her, Tammy Slaton is finally standing tall, not just in body, but in spirit. And as her mother says, this is only the beginning. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.